So I'm stringing with armor mesh here, and one helpful tip I wanted to pass along. This is kind of the same logic I apply to stringing my traditionals, where I'll kind of get everything in place, make it loose, and then once everything looks right, then I'll start tightening it down. That works pretty well for armor mesh as well. The thing is, when you pull really tightly, on the, say, in like the top third of the sidewall pattern to form the channel, when you pull really tightly with armor mesh, then kind of like what's happening right here, the mesh tends to buckle because it's kind of made of those individual strands. And at least the way I string these and kind of figure out the patterns is I count the number of, I guess, lines in this outer column. So like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an interlock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, then another interlock. And it's hard to tell how many lines there are when they're kind of twisted like they are right here. And it makes it difficult to replicate the pattern here on the when you go to do the other side. Of course, you can do both sides at the same time, but that's just not really my style. But so something that might help is just doing this, getting it all in place. I'm going to do the other side and leave it loose. And then I'll go and tighten this side and then that side, and then that way I'll get everything the way I want it, and then tighten it down rather than pulling everything tightly and then having to undo it and go back and adjust something. So just a tip with armor mesh that I wanted to pass along.